Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'll be showing you how to convert your SVG file to PNG just using internet without any software. So I'm heading to my browser, and from there, as you can see, I'm on SVG to PNG. Okay, I'm going to simply upload files, and the file, as you can see, vlc icon.svg is my SVG file, which I'm just going to turn to PNG. Okay, and clicking on open, and it's being uploaded. It's most probably done, and it's converting. And okay, the conversion is done. As you can see, the image of the SVG file to PNG, and I'm going to download it. And it's being downloaded to my system, and it is in G format. Okay, I'm going to open it, and this is the file. Okay, now this is the file which I have converted from SVG to PNG. Yes, as you can see, and I think this is one of the most easiest way to convert your SVG file to PNG without any external software, just by using a simple trick online. Hope you really found this video useful. If you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience and the methods you have in your mind on comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.